Video ID is the online identification service offered by Top, trusted onboarding platform. The patented solution designed by Infocert to speed up onboarding processes and enable digital contract subscription for financial services, insurance policies, installment plans, and so on. With Video ID, you can finally turn prospects into customers wherever they are and at any time, completing online requests in a few minutes, and in an extremely easy way using their own devices and following a few simple steps. Thanks to our cutting-edge technology, your customers just need to take a picture of their ID document, and in a few seconds, Top will capture all personal information. And with an advanced video scanning system, Top ensures that your customer is really whom he claims to be.
Good evening, Mr. Smith. I'm Mary Taylor. Welcome to the video identification process performed by Infocert. Do you have with you your original identity document and your mobile phone?
Yes, I have them both.
I inform you that the upcoming video identification session will be recorded and preserved by Infocert. Do you give Infocert your consent to use your personal data and record the video session?
Yes, I give my consent.
Okay, the video recording has started. To make sure I'm talking to the right person, can you please tell me your given name and your family name?
I am Robert Smith.
Can you please confirm your mobile phone number?
Yes, 0035 334 704 2782.
Thanks. I have just sent a text message to your mobile phone to certify your number. Have you received it?
Yes, I have.
Can you show me it on camera? Now I'll take a picture of your face, so please look into the camera. Thank you. Now I'll check your ID card. Can you please show your document on camera?
Yes. Is this okay?
Okay, thanks. Great, Mr. Robert Smith. The identification has been successful. I will now close the video session.
Thank you.
You'll be redirected to the next page to sign the contract, so hold on. Thank you very much for your time and have a good night.
Okay, goodbye.
Once the video recognition ends, user can easily sign the contract with the certificate issued by Infocert. Delight your customers with a seamless journey and bring your business to the top with Infocert Video ID. Want to know more? Go to infocert.digital.